Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger account using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Messenger application and click on the three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And you want to click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. So now just go ahead and scroll down until you see account settings. Click on that and click on personal information. So now you want to click manage account, and here you want to click deactivate. So now for your security, you need to re-enter your password to continue. So just go ahead and type your password. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on continue. And you can now deactivate your account. And if you want to reactivate it, just go ahead and log in again on your account using the Messenger application. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.